Hi, my name is Akash Patel and I am doing my first assignment CSR issue and capitalism. I choose a topic for this assignment which is motivating individual through job design. There are five different ways to motivate individual through job design. First one is skill variety, second one is task identity, third one is task significance, fourth one is autonomy, and fifth one is feedback. Let's talk about the skill variety. Skill variety is best way to motivate individual. Every person have a hidden talent inside their body. They have to just take outside that hidden talent from their body, so they do lots of progress in their life with that hidden talent. Companies should do job rotation. It means companies should send their employee one department to other department, because if that employee stuck in one department, so they feel boring over there, and in this way they lost their hidden talent, which is not good for their future. So the employee who working in production department, so companies should send that employee in research and development department, because maybe that employee have a good idea about new design which is very useful for company, and in this way that employees hidden talent come outside, which is very good for company and that employee, because company making lots of profit with that new ideas, which is really good for them. So it is a skill variety which through company motivate their employee very easily, which is really very useful for company. Third one is task significant. Every task play important role in business. Some tasks play small role in business and other play big role in business. So companies should teach to their employee that what is the importance of that task which is given them by company, and company also teach that if employee complete that task, so what type achievement company will achieve, and if employee not achieve that task, so which type problem company will face in future. So employee get all knowledge of that task, so they give their full effort for complete that task. So companies should tell that what impact happen when they complete that task. So it is a call task significant. Fourth one is autonomy. Company give work to every employee, but few workers don't know how to do that work and when they have to do that work. So companies should give a training to that employee who don't know how to do that work and when they have to do that work. When company give a training to that employee, so that employee know how to do that work and they get a job, and in this way unemployment ratio is decreased in society, and that employee will get good job and good money and healthy life. And main other thing is that if that employee learn how to do that work, so maybe in future they will teach to other employee that how to do that job. So in this way many other new employee will get the job, which is really good for this society. So it is called autonomy. Last but not least, I am going to talk about feedback. In every business, feedback play very important role. because you don't know which type changes you should do in your business. But when you take a feedback about your business from someone else, so that time you know that which type changes you should make in your business. So when company give certain type work to employee, so it's company responsibility to take a feedback about that work. Means how's that works going, or employee face any difficulty for complete that work, or etc. Because employees spend a lots of time at workplace, so employee know that which type changes companies should make in company. Because sometime some old machine not working properly, or they have lots of problem, or that machine not run properly. So because of this problem, worker not do that work properly. So when company take a feedback from employees, so that time they know this type problem, and then they make a changes in the company. Employee get that job which they really want to do, so they get a satisfaction.